Hey there, today we're going to be looking at the Andersen E-Series window. We love the E-Series here because it's uniquely customizable for any project. The E-Series comes with 10 different interior wood species with custom options available to you in 50 different exterior color options, again, also fully customizable as well. Showing you how it tilts in, you press on these tilt latches, folds into the interior really nicely, and then you pull down on the top sash, pulling in these tilt tabs. That'll fold it to the top sash to the interior, making for really easy cleaning. Put the bottom sash up and back onto the window, and then it slides back up and down perfectly. The final reason we love the E-Series window is because it's an extruded aluminum. Extruded aluminum windows protect the wood. It's a real wood window, so you get that old authentic look, but it has that extruded aluminum covering to the exterior to protect and preserve that wood. So it's not only good for you, but the next generation of homeowner as well.